Now somebody made $210. That is over 100,000 naira. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gold Own. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money online without a capital. Yes. Now before I dash straight into today's video, I want to say congratulations to some of my students that sent me a screenshot of what they earned in September. Guys, just take a look at this. Now somebody made $210. That is over 100,000 naira. And I was so happy when I saw that. I was happy because I was like, people are following my strategy and they are seeing results. You know what that means? I was so happy. Now the other person that sent me a screenshot sent me his Fiverr, like from his Fiverr account. This screenshot was made from his Fiverr account. You can see all the dates and the earnings. On the 5th of September, this person made $10. On the 17th, on the 10th of September, this person made $40. You can see everything. Now when he sent me this, I was like, and people are saying Fiverr is not working, Fiverr is no longer paying. So you can see Fiverr is still paying. This screenshot was made last month. You can see the date right there, September 30th 2022. This person made $30. I calculated everything and it was over $100 for somebody who is a newbie. So you too can do this. Come on. I'm so happy that many of you are seeing results, even though I know it is not all of you that are actually coming to tell me, oh, I made so amount of money, oh, thanks for your teaching, I got this. Majority of you are doing it, but I know there are some of you out there that have not kind of like connected with me to tell me their testimony or tell me what I'm saying is actually true. They are seeing results and all of that. Please, if you know you're in that category, you're seeing results with my teachings, or maybe you bought my course and you've made money, kindly reach out to me. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the comment section below this video so that you can tell me about it, and then I can come here and also share your testimony with other people so that people will be motivated and follow the same steps I'm talking about, the same strategy I'm using, and also make money. Okay, so that is it. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money without a capital, and trust me guys, this works 100%. Please, if you're out there and you're not doing these things, you need to start now. Like, start now and make sure you're consistent. You are definitely going to make money if you're consistent. It is only when you give up that is when you will not see results. If you stick to what I'm saying and you're consistent, you're hardworking, trust me, you're going to share your testimony. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen this advert by Google Digital Skills for Africa. Google by themselves, they are teaching people different kind of skills for free, but this is only open to those in Africa. So if you are not in Africa, I don't think you can access these courses for now. This is only open to those in Africa, right? The best part about this is that you can even access these courses with your phone. Yes, I tried accessing mine with my phone this morning and I saw all the courses right there. So guys, like many of you know, I'm a freelancer. I have a skill that I'm using to make money. So you too can learn a skill and start making money with it, especially this ember period. People have a lot of things to sell this period. Like, many people want to go into fashion, like they want to sell stuff related to fashion, especially for Christmas. This is an opportunity for you to learn digital marketing, learn how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads. These are the things to learn that is going to fetch you a lot of money. Many people want to sell stuff, but they don't even have an idea of how to run ads. This is an opportunity for you. You can just learn and then start running ads for people, advertise yourself, start running ads, and then start making money. If I come over here, this place that says online courses, you're going to see a list of courses that Google by themselves created just to teach people for free. Now look at what I'm talking about: fundamentals of digital marketing. Exactly, this is something that you need, like you really need it right now. I'm actually learning how to be good with Facebook ads because, of course, by next year I want to kind of like double my earnings. So this is something that people are looking into. This is something that is very lucrative. Digital marketing is something that you can learn now and make a lot of money. Like, you can never go wrong with digital marketing, trust me. And this course under here, you see where it says created by Google. So this is from Google, 100% from Google, and it is 100% free. This course is like 40 hours. There are a lot of them here. Just go through, scroll down, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Get a business online. There are a lot of them. See what I'm talking about. You can even click load more, and then you're going to see a lot more. So this is it, guys. The first thing for you to learn is skill, and learning a skill is 100% free. All you need is just your phone and data. That is it. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the comment section, or maybe below this video. So just check below this video. If you don't see the link there, it's going to be on the comment section, the first comment section of this video. Learn a skill and then start making money with the skill. Now of course, I know many of you will be like, oh, how do I get people to hire me? Like I always say, if nobody hires you, you won't make any money. So after learning a skill, make sure you take your time and understand what they're talking about. It's not just for you to learn the skill and make sure that you're confident, that you are good, you are okay, like you're ready to start offering that service to people and start making money. The next thing you need to do after you've learned a skill is to go on Fiverr and create an account. See, let me tell you the trick. This guy that sent me a screenshot, I'm sure he's watching this video, I don't really know. He's a very loyal subscriber of mine. I know him. He has been following my videos since only God knows how long, and he's always writing me on Instagram asking for my opinion about stuff. Whenever a client reaches out to him, he's always asking me for my opinion. Trust me, I told him to do certain things that will make him start getting orders, and he did those things and he's still doing it. That is why he's making money on Fiverr. And the thing about Fiverr gig is this: once your gig peaks, that is it, you're going to be having massive order. I've told him last week to go and learn. He does logos, right? I've told him to go and learn more on how to do better logos, so that once the order starts coming, he's going to be able to fulfill it, and that is it. It's going to blow. I've assured him that he shouldn't worry, that he's going to start making millions on Fiverr, and trust me guys, that is just the truth. Now just look at only September, look at what he made for a new account, for somebody who is just doing this for the first time. So that is it. Fiverr is still paying. You just need to know what to do on Fiverr so that you can start getting orders. Now the very first thing you need to do on Fiverr is that make sure your gig thumbnail is very eye-catching. It's not possible for somebody to go on Fiverr, see somebody's gig that is eye-catching and then goes for another one that is not. It's not possible. Now if you know you want to go into designing logos on Fiverr, go on Fiverr and search for logo designs, and then check the gig thumbnail that people are using. See how the gig thumbnail is. Make your own better. That way anybody that comes on Fiverr, if they see the two gigs and they're trying to compare, they're going to go for yours. Now after making your gig thumbnail eye-catching, make sure your price is very affordable. You can start with $5. That doesn't mean you're going to do $5 forever. You can start with $10, just so you can get those initial orders. It is when you start getting those initial orders that Fiverr is going to kind of like rank your gig, and then more orders will start coming. So make sure your gig is eye-catching. I said that earlier. And then make sure your gig thumbnail is eye-catching, and make sure your price is low. Start with a very low price. Once the order starts coming, you cannot increase your price. Now after you've done that, make sure you are always online. I can't emphasize this enough. Like, you have to be online like 247. Now this is what you should do. Go on Chrome. If you are using a laptop, just go on Google, type download auto refresh. Download it and install it in your system. If you are using a computer, this is going to help you stay online like 247. You just have to kind of like type in how long you want your page to be refreshing. You can type 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. You can type 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. So what that does is that every 2 minutes it's going to refresh that page. So it's going to show that you are always online. And then you're going to go over to your phone, download the Fiverr app on your phone, so that when people kind of like send you a message, you're going to receive it ASAP and then reply the message. Because anybody that comes on Fiverr to buy anything, they always contact like 2-3 persons at the same time. So whoever replies first have a higher chance of being hired. That is why you need to be online 247. So anybody that writes you, you just reply, and then before you know what is happening, the person has hired you. So that is another thing. Then the third thing I want you to do is you need to share your gig. Share your gig link with people, even if they don't buy. Let them just be clicking. Once you start clicking, you are having different clicks from different locations. You're seeing the IP address that is different. Many people are clicking from US, people are clicking from Nigeria, from Africa, whatever. It's going to be sending signal to Fiverr that, okay, this gig, people are clicking, it means that this gig is cool. And then they're going to kind of like rank you a bit so that other people can get to see you. Alright guys, that'll be all for this video. This video was very brief, but trust me, I hit the nail on the head. That is just it. If you know you want to make money without a capital, just go and learn a skill. Learn a skill and then go on Fiverr, create an account, and do these things I'm saying. You're going to come back to share your testimony. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye!